Hello, and I want to welcome you back to my channel. If you are new here, I welcome you. On this channel, we create things to not only encourage self-care, but to make it easier in maintaining it. Let's create together. After waxing, the area that has been waxed may be a little bit sensitive or just maybe a little bit even tender. So it's very important that you tend to the area right after you have hair removed. So one of the ways in which you tend to the area is by applying a nice soothing treatment to help the skin lax, to help the pores tighten, and to ease any discomfort that you may have. We are going to be making an after wax care oil just for that. We're going to need a few basic ingredients. You're going to need oil, carrier oil, and maybe an essential oil. You will also need a measuring spoon and a bottle to keep your oil in. So let's begin. The base of our aftercare oil is going to be olive oil. Olive oil is a very antioxidant rich and skin conditioning oil. It glides off the skin very nicely and provides with intense moisture, something that our skin will require after it has been waxed. And so I am going to pre-pour into this beautiful cobalt blue bottle. I actually had this bottle from another project, and I thought, oh, let me keep it in case something else comes along. I will use it, and well, here it is. And so I have poured the olive oil into the bottle. The next ingredient we are going to add is vitamin E. And we are going to be adding 1/8 of a teaspoon to our olive oil. And vitamin E helps bring down swelling and inflammation of the skin, as well as providing the skin with moisture. So after wax, the skin may be a little bit tender, and vitamin E will definitely help in reducing and alleviating that. Once you have your two ingredients in the bottle, the olive oil and the vitamin E, your aftercare oil is done. It's complete. However, should you choose to add one more ingredient, you can add lavender essential oil. I'm going to add 1 drop of lavender essential oil to our mixture. And the beauty about lavender oil is that it helps to calm and soothe redness of the skin. It also helps the skin to heal minor cuts and scrapes. And now I'm going to cap it and shake well. Now when I take the cap off, I'm going to put some of the oil in the dropper. I'll just drop a couple drops on the back of my hand. The back of my hand is a model. And then you just work it in. So after wax, after you've received your wax, you just wipe the area with a nice warm towel and then apply the oil. Apply a generous and liberal amount to help soothe the spot that was waxed. And then there you go. This is our after wax care oil. Just 3 ingredients. Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please press that like button, hit the subscribe, and click on notifications, and we will create next time. To begin waxing, you'd want to add a little bit of cornstarch or talcum powder. This will ensure that the area you're going to wax is nice and dry. You then will apply your wax by spreading the wax in the opposite direction of hair growth. Make sure that your wax is nice and pliable and in the same direction as hair growth. Peel the wax off. Use the wax to pull any remaining hairs out. Apply the same method to the other side. If you find your wax is getting too thick or too hard, rewarm it. After waxing, apply a warm towel to help soothe the area. After treatment, apply your after wax care oil. This will help bring down any inflammation and redness and will promote healing and moisturize the skin.